Hi guys. Welcome to this channel. This video is about adjectives and adverbs. There are the other videos in this case in the channel. Their links are in the description. Please watch them to learn more points. First we speak about adjectives. Adjectives are used in different places. First one, before noun to describe them. For example, there are so many historical buildings in France. It was well worth the trip, especially if you like nature. Also, they can be used after the following verbs: be, become, get, seem, appear, look, taste, feel, smell. After the verbs find, make, keep, plus object, you should work hard on your research if you want to make your trip enjoyable. I found the insects rather frightening. Sometimes we can use two adjectives with each other. For example, a long, tiring bicycle ride. For this point we should know the order of adjectives. In general, words which express opinion come before words which describe the characteristics or type of what we are talking about. For example, a beautiful Iranian carpet. Beautiful is opinion, and Iranian is type. This is the order of adjectives: size, temperature, age, shape, color, nationality, material, type. For example, she was wearing an amazing red coat. Small mountain village. A beautiful old hat. Hot black tea. The other examples. What an amazing, little, old, Chinese cup. It was made of strange, green, metallic. We should know that when there are two or more adjectives after a verb or noun, we use in between the last two adjectives. For example, the people are very welcoming and friendly towards visitors. The other topic is adjectives ending in e, d, and I, n, g. Some adjectives connected with feelings are formed from verbs and have two possible forms, usually e, d, or I, n, g. We use e, d forms to talk about how we feel. He was fascinated to see the extraordinary range of patterns. I was amazed at the variety of wonderful animals. We use I, n, g forms to describe the things or people that cause the feelings. It is an absolutely amazing city to visit. Second topic is adverbs. Adverbs give information about adjectives, verbs or other adverbs. Adverbs tell us how, where, when, how often or how much. An adverbs can be a single word or a phrase. There are 5 kinds of adverbs: manner, place, frequency, time, intensity. Manner. Often formed by adding l, y to the adjective forms. They come after the verb. For example, careful, carefully, happy, happily. I plan my trips very carefully. Place. It was the first time I had been there. There is a place adverb. Try to stay far the old part of the city. Far is a place adverb. Second type of adverbs is time, such as today, tomorrow, now, since 2003, for 3 minutes. They can go at the beginning or the end of a clause. Example, I had a very memorable trip 2 years ago. Third type is adverbs of frequency. It comes before the verb but after be or an auxiliary verb. For example, I often travel for my job. I have always enjoyed my visits there. He is never late. The last type of adverbs show intensity. They affect the strength of adjectives or adverbs. Some of them are weaker in comparison with others. Fairly, quite, rather, pretty, are weakest. Absolutely, completely, totally, are not as strong as the third one and not as weak as first type. Very, really, extremely, highly, are strongest. The adverbs at the stronger end of the scale, such as absolutely, completely, totally, can only be used with some adjectives. These tend to be extreme adjectives that suggest a limit in their meaning. Other non-extreme adjectives never collocate with these stronger adverbs. There are some absolutely stunning of Indian silk embroidery. Not fairly stunning. The people are very friendly. Not absolutely friendly. We use quite before a, or, an, but, fairly, and, pretty, after a. Examples. It was quite an interesting story. It was a pretty interesting story. The order of adverbs, first manner, then, place and at last, time, is used. For example, I will meet you outside the station at 6:00. Irregular adverbs. Some adverbs of manner look the same as the adjective form. There are hard, fast, straight, late. Work hard on your thesis. Here, hard is an adverb. This is a hard exercise. Here, hard is an adjective. The players are very welcoming and friendly towards each other. Good is an adjective and well is an adverb. He spoke very good English. He spoke English well. Well can be an adjective when we speak about health. She is not well. She has got a headache. Hard is an adjective and an adverb, and hardly is an adverb meaning very little. She hardly had time to sleep enough.